Gang girl's number. Let me see this
I
shit.
created Honest because
I already saw part one of this.
trust that everything that they put on their body.
Bro, what city you from though, bro?
Oh, you see that right there?
We do like I don't know. It's like we got police cars and shit, but it's only like a police car, and it's like it's just like a theme. In New York and shit.
Pay 10. You ride 8 seconds. You win $200. So I'm gonna ride it, bro. Is it hard though? Have you did it?
What the fuck? Hey, yo.
Alrighty now, young man, 8 seconds, one hand only.
Man, what the fuck?
Can't touch or grab the bull. Oh, he ain't smiling no more. You ready? All those dumb bull rules. Here we go.
Well, you can't touch the bull.
We got deep.
Hey.
We got Willie. We got deep.
Oh. Nah, that's it. No way you fell out of that shit, bro. There's no fucking
Here
way.
we go.
That's it?
We got deep. We got Willie. We got Willie.
Bro, what? Bro, put two hands on that shit, bro. Like,
We got
bro, two hand grab. Like, what?
Oh man, sir. That was 6.7 seconds, sir. I think we got a phone somewhere Willie took. No, he'll get it on his way, though. That's a secondary phone. I can tell what it is. Don't forget the trap phone, D.
Only 6 seconds, bro. They say he can't. Oh, he can't use two hands. No, I'm saying like he can use two hands, right? I know they say he can't touch the bull, but
How we going,
I
sir?
lived in Chicago when that happened. Oh, you're in New York too. That's fire. That's tough. Is he left-handed? He
Thank you so
can't.
much.
They said he can't. No, damn. That's
Well, gonna be on YouTube
nah.
now.
I'll be on that shit.
Money says he's gotta help his friends get those seats. More seats and go.
So you win $200.
Alrighty, Davo.
Don't. Hey, it's one
8
hand
seconds,
though.
one hand,
Yeah, one
don't
hand, that
touch or
motherfucker.
grab the bull, sir. Let me get my stuff ready. You ready?
Oh
Here
shit.
we go.
Oh yeah, he. Oh, no,
Oh.
Oh no.
What is the? Yo, bro, his dreads, bro, got me weak. Yo, his dreads went flying. Bro, I'm thinking like he got this shit. Nigga flew off in like 3 seconds, bro. Bro need to let go of the bull. Bro, at one point his body was dead ass upside down. Like I'm pause it.
oh yeah, he.
Bro, what the fuck is it? Damn, what? Was it really that hard, bro? Is it? Come on, only 8 seconds, bro. How hard can it be? How do your whole body contort like that, bro? Like, he still held on to the pole after that. You just gotta give it up after that.
4 seconds flat, sir.
This man literally went
But your
upside down.
dreads look great.
Could you
Friday.
wrap your legs around the
Oh, my
bull?
mama, she cheating.
I feel like I don't know, that sounds like it would work, but it dead work. Probably does something all the fangirls and shit.
Hold on. Is that in?
You probably can wrap your legs around it, but at the same time, that shit is moving and tilting everywhere and shit.
8 seconds, sir.
That shit was just not a good idea.
Willie shaking.
That shit was just.
Good job.
It sounded like it'll work, but it
Think I should
wouldn't.
do it again, man?
Nigga, go for it.
Shit scam, ain't gonna lie.
Do that shit, but I'll do that shit until I win, until I hit the 8 seconds.
I really want to do it. You gotta think it's a profit though. You gotta think it's a profit. I done spent 20. If I spend 30, that's a goddamn $170 profit.
You're gonna make 170 if you spend 30.
D-Block. Coming back on stage.
Bro, you win $200, bro,
Yo.
for 8 seconds.
Oh yeah. Let's get it.
Tell me when you're ready. You ready?
Come on, Duke.
You sure you're ready? Alrighty, here we go.
I think after like $50, and that's where I'm gonna stop. Or after. Yes. Come
He
on.
left
This
Drake.
nigga's. Yo, the bull just beat him out of his shoes, bro. Ah, shit. That doesn't look good, bro. He just look like he just got out of a fight with that shit. Damn. Damn, his shoe came off. That is.
D-Block.
His dreads is
We
getting
love and
long, though, on
appreciate
some
you,
random shit.
Don't forget the trap phone. I think one went that way. Don't forget the sneakers.
That's probably
We
the
wanted to make
next
sure the
thing.
kicks
Probably
got shown today.
Probably should probably take off the shoes.
Fuck in the mic.
2 hands on I get that though. That's all right, I ain't tripping. You know, man, you think I'm tripping, man, on some shit like that, man? I'm tripping though. I ain't gonna.
You mad?
Bro, you gotta be all the girls, you gotta be all the Riz, I swear.
You ain't got no
You the
Riz,
Riz
bro.
guy, bro.
Hey, I put all the girls
Cringe. The dick eat. The dick eat.
I'm dead serious.
The dick eating. Is where the meat riding comes in.
You gotta be all the girls. Where you go?
Duke Dennis fans are crazy.
Yo, Gmail, please. Yo, Gmail, please.
Bro, what the fuck? This cringe ass Timothy, bro. What the fuck are you doing, bro? Bro, I was not like this as a little kid, bro. I know it's Duke, but you. I'd be like, oh shit, it's Duke.
What's the freakiest thing you done ever did?
Oh, the interviewing Duke.
15.
Nope. Oh,
15 is crazy.
Hey, you don't need to be talking about that type of stuff. You know?
Nigga, shut the fuck up, bro. I was on time in that 15.
For going up, ain't it?
Nah, I probably wouldn't have been saying
used
shit
one
if
of
she
them,
was
boy. What's up,
15.
bro? What's up? I ain't used one of these. Oh, but look though, no account, right? Look who third.
Bro, how does YouTube even work on that old ass phone?
Yes, sir. Look who third.
Unless that track phone is not old.
That boy Duke did it. You know what I'm saying? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. That boy Duke did it.
Fuck she said?
But hell yeah, make sure y'all go subscribe though. Do this.
What the fuck?
Y'all are a gang of beautiful men.
Damn. You beautiful.
I know, but I just needed to be amongst some beautiful men.
Trisha, fucking Trisha, bro, in this shit, bro. This nigga don't even, bro, this nigga Duke just be existing, bro. This nigga Duke just be existing, bro, and all the bitches just come up to him, bro. Deadass, I think this is deadass like a prostitute, bro. I'm not even gonna lie, like that's, it was giving off very hookerish vibes, like even the way she dressing and shit. I ain't gonna lie. I'm not looking down on that.
Too bad you ain't looking for a boy.
Might be a, you know what I'm saying? And she, oh yeah, she got a cigarette too. Come on, bro. Prostitute, bro. Come on, she got the that. Yeah, nah, y'all niggas cannot tell me otherwise.
You got
Cigarette is crazy.
Open up your IG. You know what? I would give you my number, but I don't give my number out like
You
that.
don't have to. I don't either.
Oh yeah?
No.
You're lying.
What's your name?
Hold on.
We should give out his number. But the bitch literally smoking a cigarette. That is the cigarette. Yes. Cigarette is.
Oh shit!
Yo, this video is different. Yo, bro, this video is, bro, they wild. Damn. It's a cat though, so it's good, but fuck. That shit is scary. Because if y'all don't know about cats literally always land on their front side, no matter how far they fall off and shit. Like they get, I'm not gonna say they'll survive, but they could fall off like at that building right there and still somehow always land on their feet. I don't know what's the science behind it, but they just land on their feet.
Well, you know you look like what? Your baby. Yup. Yup. Okay, do you have a girlfriend?
I don't.
Really?
I don't. Next. Next question.
You looking for him?
No.
Okay, then that's a great question.
No,
You looking to get? Are you looking to get to know somebody though?
No, not really.
Oh yeah.
Not really. I'm just chilling right now.
Ready to go home?
Ready to go home.
Yeah! All that yeah on the screen, bro.
I mean to be leaning on you.
I'm gassing.
She get right away. I know. She get right away because she got heels on.
What's up? I can have your number, man.
Oh, it is the experiment.
803.
They knew it was a troll. They knew it was a troll. Bro, they knew it was a troll. There's no way. Bro, calm down, bro. Calm the fuck down, like. I'll be hyped if I saw Duke too, but not like at this level. I'll try to play it off. I'll just dab Duke up, probably get a picture and then
Tight shit. Yo.
cringe as fuck. Cringe as fuck. I ain't gonna lie. Bro, come on, bro. We were gonna get onto the flip phone shit. I gotta see the comments after that. Nah, there's no way, right? There's no way no one talked about that shit in the comments. Duke just made everyone smile. She flipped me off that way. Duke gave that way head. She tried to show them. Shoved them on his way is hilarious. Let me see. Oh, forget the trap phone. Oh, I didn't even notice she said that. That is fucking racist, bro. Don't forget the trap phone. I'm fucking dead. Dang, like, no one even commented on that part of the video. That shit, come on,
don't
bro.
laugh at my dog, though.
I told him I'm in between balls right now.
Can we take a picture together? Yeah. Come here, man. Hold on, what's your name? My name Duke. What's yours? Hey, hold on.
Bro, this nigga big. This nigga big, bro.
You can't have my number. I bought too many jobs.
Hold on, I got 2 jobs.
I got 2 jobs too.
Yeah.
That's what I found.
Bro, what the fuck, bro? Why? Duke Dennis, come on. You can literally see the stains on her bra, bro. You can see the stains on her bra, chat. You can see that shit, bro. They ain't no fucking way Duke will, like, I get it, it's content, but damn, bro, what is this, bro?
Yeah, chat right now, man.
Yeah, you stupid fuck. I'm dead.
Fuck you. Fuck him or fuck me. What's up, man? Let me get your number, man. Let me get your number, man. Let me get your number, man.
You got a flip phone? I bet you dead.
You motherfucker.
He said flip
Some
phone.
bullshit.
What's up? What's up with you, son?
The flip phone actually working, though, for his time.
Oh, man, he's doing well.
Why you say that?
Ain't good to be in the streets, man. I'm talking to the Kings now.
Of course. I tell
Me
you.
and my wife sitting right over
What?
there. Been sitting there for the last 3 to 4 days.
Oh, yeah?
We
I got about-
scrapping every damn dime we can get.
I got about 40. Hey, I got $40 for you right here, young sir.
Yes,
Hey,
sir.
look,
Nigga
it
is
ain't
rich
much.
like that.
Hey, look, it's an investment right
It's a
there.
blessing.
It's an investment right there.
Wait a minute.
Why they thought that, wait, why is the first thing he thought of? He was like, it's not good to be in the streets. Why is that the first thing he said, bro? He said, it's not good to be in the streets, man. Like, I can't even make the damn voice, bro. Like, this nigga here. She needs to get that breast checked out. It looks lumpy. That shit is, we don't know what that is, but, I don't know. I think that's just her being big and shit.
Investment right there.
That's just like shitty health or whatever.
51.
Nigga Duke just got it like that at
It's a
6.
blessing.
Bro, I spend $40 on something meaningful and that shit hurts me. Imagine giving out $40 to just a dude I ain't even know. Like,
See, that's
Hey,
a
look, I know it
blessing.
ain't much, but hey, look, it's an investment right
It is a
there.
blessing.
It's an investment right there.
Wait a minute. How old do you think I am, young man?
nigga, just see
152.
Never see that again.
Huh?
But this nigga try to be too deep and shit. Shut your bitch ass up and take the
19 damn
$40.
40.
40. God damn, you about 73.
Hey,
82.
82.
good as fuck, boy. You look good.
Nah, he actually looked 82. I would have thought like 50, 52 or something. I ain't gonna lie, 55.
Don't break my shit, man.
Boy, that's cap. Boy, you look too good to be 80 something, man.
My youngest child is 34. My oldest is 53.
If you 80 something, man,
This
I
nigga
would
talks
be
like a
blessed
villain.
to look like you when I get 80 something.
Yeah,
You look
Not
good,
gonna
bro.
crack.
I'm telling you.
Not gonna lie, like 80. If he not trolling, 84 is not like honestly. Born 1940. let's see, 1940 to 2000, that's 60 years old. So he's 82 right now. Yeah, 82. He said 83. He off a year, but close enough. He off a year, but man, that nigga was Duke Dennis' age in the fucking 60s. That nigga is a relic, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, that nigga, like, his time is, he lived more than the 80-year lifespan type shit.
Just chatting, man.
This
Yeah,
nigga.
like, nigga, goddamn, so boom, nigga, I'm texting her phone, nigga, she ain't answering. It's 3 in the morning. But she was just on IG Live. And goddamn, it said she was acting. I seen the green bubble beside her. Nigga, bitch texted me earlier the next morning talking about I fell asleep. Bitch!
What?
You fell asleep.
Fell asleep? What? I ain't even pre what she said. He said, I ain't gonna lie. I ain't even pre what that nigga was saying. I'm not gonna lie.
When she seen that curve, though, she done got that curve. Nigga cute.
Hold on. A bitch.
Next vlog, day 3. Is he gonna get more bitches with the flip phone? See if he has more bitches.
Hey, I can vouch for that, man. She was not trying to leave after that right there, man. And get what she told her friends, Q. Y'all can go. I got my own car. Yeah, she said, y'all can go. I got my own car. Whole time I'm wondering, damn, Q raising her ass up. Wrong. She seen a dick pic in this phone. It's tough.
That was unfortunate.
Like, the whole time I'm talking to her and shit, then she just...
Still got that shit on your phone, nigga.
Oh, bro, what the fuck, bro?
Dick pics is crazy. We on to the next shit.
But
Short. I call that shit the intermission.
No way, boy. Boy, no way, boy. What's doing it? Oh, shit.
This video has been mostly just Duke meeting the fans and shit. The fans, the interaction is more like is more than interested in the bitches right now. I'm not even gonna lie. What the fuck this dude did to his bro? I seen this shit in Florida, bro. Like, these dudes be putting big fat ass rims on their truck, bro. I mean, I said in the truck and their fucking Dodge Challengers. Holy shit. These big ass rims on the Challenger, bro. Big fat ass rims, bro, on this shit. This nigga did it with his Camaro too. What is this? What?
I ain't too far. Hey, you better go ahead and me. I am a grown man, man.
Yes, you're certified.
Yes, man.
What are you looking for?
My phone.
Oh, he knew better than to pull out the phone then. Nigga pulled out his actual phone rather than the track.
What's your name, though? Ho? My name Duke.
I feel so bad. That's my nephew.
Look, I'm 28.
Oh, is he recording this? Hey.
Whatever. Hey, you know what? Y'all different. You know what?
I ain't gonna lie, the friend look better. I ain't gonna lie. I'll be getting the friend type shit.
You gonna let him run his Riz on?
Damn. Unspoken Riz chat. Chat, I need to have my Riz game like this. Oh God. This is unspoken Riz. This is like top tier level Riz. Like, nigga has Riz by just existing. Just by being in the vicinity. Like, that's the Riz I'm trying to get type shit. This is top tier level Riz, bro. I ain't gonna cap.
What the rest of the AMP crew at?
Oh, God, you ain't have to.
Another girl.
Yeah, come on, take a picture right now.
Come on, another girl. Immediately another girl, bro. That's fucking nice.
What's your name?
Oh my God, am I AMP? Oh my God, your kids are free. I'm good. I'm Victoria.
Victoria.
Yeah.
Okay, y'all from out here, though?
No, we're from Virginia.
Y'all go about, what, about 6 hours?
4?
Yeah, I heard 6 hours. Hey, man.
6, well, it depends on what part. I'm from Southern Virginia.
Oh, yeah?
So that kind of, yeah.
Okay.
This shit gotta be annoying though at some point. How tall is he, Duke? I think he said he's like like 6'2", maybe. I like 6'2", 6. I know Flight is like slightly taller than Duke, like 6'2". Yeah, he's some tall motherfucker, but I feel like he looks even taller because he's skinny and shit. The nigga is 6'2". He's 6'2" and he's like skinny, like lanky, but not skinny to where he looks hungry type shit. Like, bro, unspoken risk, 6 feet, bro, 6'2", like, goddamn, bro. That's why I feel bad for short niggas. Like, holy damn, bro. I feel bad for short niggas actual short niggas even more now, bro. Like, damn, because no matter how hard they try, bro, it's like, bro, there's levels to this shit, bro. There's just, like, different levels to this shit, bro. Like, damn, but I feel like even if he was, like, 5'10", he would still be good, honestly.
Oh, my God.
It wouldn't change too much.
Hey, don't, dude. Matter of fact, hey, come here, man. Get your number or something, man. Get your number or something, man, with this right here, right here.
Boy, what?
Oh, what? You gonna?
I'm sorry. I don't care.
Yeah.
Is that
Okay.
phone? I don't care.
Yeah.
He said, I don't care.
Dude, that's not your phone.
Down bad.
That's not your phone. Shouldn't even light up when you
Down bad, I see.
You're just typing in random.
Starving.
I know my number by heart.
Did the flip phone work? That's not even C.
Oh no. See, that's my.
Oh, he pulled out the flip.
Yeah.
He pulled out the flip.
Yeah, no. I was just making sure.
I'm about to say this.
No, because I pulled it was dead.
Oh, that fit is tough. I didn't even see my man's fit in the back. My man's fit in the back is going. This, I never thought I'd see something that matches the OG Sonic jersey and shit. I don't know if y'all can see it. I mean, this dude is dark as hell, but like that shit is tough. This nigga is matching and everything. That's tough. That his height is definitely carry him. Definitely is a big factor, but not just in general. Like, pause. But Duke Dennis is a good looking dude, bro. Whatever y'all like it or not, bro. Like, height plays a big factor, but like, bro, if you're 6'2" and ugly, bro, it's still like, yeah, like you're 6'2", but if you're ugly, bro, you're just not gonna get the same attention. I ain't gonna lie. Like, you're just not. His height and his name, like. It's also because he's famous too, so you also got to keep in mind of that. Like, it's all that shit combined into one, where he has unspoken riz. But honestly, if Kai was like the same height too, like, or at least like 6 foot or 5'11" ish, it would be like on the same shit, like as Duke, like type shit, like unspoken riz. Height, Kai got to put in work though to run down, cause you know what I'm saying, like his height. Yeah, you know the sirens, bro. Let me see if I can close the window. Hold on. Oh, that's the ambulance. Oh, yeah, that's the ambulance right there. I just saw it. If I close the window, maybe you won't hear that shit It didn't really do much. Yeah, that was the ambulance.
Yep.
Ambulance.
It definitely was gonna work, man. You see, hey, it was dead at first, and I was like, type shit, it's gonna work, so this still count, low key.
Grab that motherfucking bullshit. You hear me? No, we not. I'm from Raleigh, bro. 100 block.
Fuck Raleigh,
man.
nigga.
Come on, WGN shit. We from the Bull City, down North Carolina. You hear me? No cap.
Well, that's a hard shirt right there, my brother.
That Koski shirt on.
This nigga got a Koski collared shirt on. That motherfucker hard, man.
I'm so fucking good.
Yeah, I ain't nobody. I just bought the camera. That's good.
Oh, he's somebody. I don't know who is everybody. You got a phone right now. I don't know him, but I want to be like.
That's fake as fuck. I ain't gonna lie. That is dick eating at his finest. That is dick eating as fuck. That is major meat riding at his finest. Come on, bro. Y'all niggas didn't even know who he was until they find out it was Duke Dennis, bro. Until the name Duke Dennis brought up, and then they got hype. Dick eating at his finest, like dick eat at his finest. Meat riding is crazy.
But I want to be like.
Yeah, now I just bought the camera because I know
Okay, so you do
motherfuckers like the
YouTube.
camera.
What kind of like videos you do?
See, I just started like last month.
What you do though? Like them videos they be like, hey, you cheating on your
No.
nigga?
I just be doing random shit.
Oh, like what though?
Whatever I want to do.
What funny you feel me?
Like if I want to go ride a horse or some shit, then
Well,
I'll
let's
do
go
that.
ride a horse.
Where you from though?
Bro, you're
What the
fucking.
fuck is- What's up with everybody being from Virginia? Like,
I'm from Richmond. I don't know where the fuck the rest of these bitches is from, but I'm from Richmond.
shit, I ain't never been to Virginia.
Okay, put my snap in. Put
crazy.
my snap in. Put that on the YouTube.
I don't got Snap. I stopped using that shit.
What the fuck you got then? You finna hit me with them.
I got a flip phone. I got a flip.
I know you ain't gonna do me like that.
I know you ain't gonna do me like that.
Alright, fuck that. What's your number? Let me see.
And then we guys, they gonna say, yeah.
I don't know. Shit, let me see. I'm being real. I ain't want you for the clout. I wanna know who you is. I wanna know your
And I was trying to
That's lies.
Come on, let me know.
G.
Let me see the track. Fuck it.
Bitch really pulled out her phone, took a picture of Duke, and ran right away. Bro, his name is carrying this nigga, bro.
I'm already knowing what that shit going. The fuck going on, nigga?
Tapped him hard as fuck. My TikTok about to blow up. I'm fucking. The shit bitches do for clout is crazy.
Columbia. I'm from Greenville, man. I have to fuck with your hair, man. I'm trying to find Davo. Where the fuck the nigga at, man?
Damn. Everybody knows that
You
shit.
got a diamond.
Know what I'm saying?
I just wanted to.
Oh, yeah, man.
Yeah.
Fuck me, man. You know what I'm saying? Ready?
What the fuck? How tall is this nigga, bro? Nigga, yo, what the fuck? Wait, time out. Wait, why he just made Duke look small? Time out. What? He just made Duke look small, bro. Like, that is fucking crazy. He made Duke look like shit. Bro, this nigga is like
Me
That's-
personally,
that's a-
no, I'm talking about dog. Me personally,
that's a
I
shooting
won't let
gun.
nobody talk to me like that. I'm just saying, me personally, I won't let shit like that go down. But then again, like that ain't me, and that ain't none of my business really.
You sure it's 6'2"? I could prove. We could prove this right now. Yeah, you said you sure it's 6'2"? Like, I got you. Cash Nasty is 5'10", and you see how that nigga look.
Running down the fucking beach.
5'10" is like Cash
Ain't no
Nasty.
motherfucker. Let's take a picture. Let's take a picture though.
All right, come
Type
on.
shit.
No cap. I'm over here
Hey,
playing
this
this shit.
nigga is like actually pretty tall. That nigga is just.
Yeah, you right. You damn right.
Who the what?
Boy, ain't no motherfucking way. Same mama, North Carolina.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Big
But
dog.
she's losing her mind.
Oh shit. Hey, you want to picture?
Yeah, she's losing her damn mind, bro.
You do? Give me a hug. Come take them from me.
This is so ghetto. It's not even funny, bro. This just making me cringe.
28.
Our anniversary is May 28th.
That is crazy.
Fucking way, boy.
That's our anniversary right there, man.
Hey,
That shit is crazy.
I told these hoes that's my nigga. He said when our anniversary.
What other video we got?
Listen, everybody be like, what the fuck Duke at? I'm like, that nigga Duke here.
Oh my god. This random plate cleaner with no badges all of a sudden just tapped her. As soon as she overheard the convo, bro. As soon as she heard the eavesdropping, bro, she realized that he had clout.
Yeah, I'm locked in, bro. Yo.
That's crazy. Damn, you just threw that ass like that.
I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna let motherfucker move. I ain't gonna lie. That motherfucker move. I swear to God. Okay. Yeah, that motherfucker move, brother. Yeah. You say hey, dirty my little.
I'm skipping parts of this video.
For sure.
I'm skipping parts of this video because this video is like long as fuck. Type shit.
Okay. Hey, fellas, look, I swear to God.
Yes, sir.
Hey, she had
Yes,
no draws on.
sir.
I can feel it. I can feel
W's,
it. I can
W's,
feel all of them
W's
right here.
around the
She got
room.
no draws on.
W's.
Hey, but I ain't gonna lie, I've been doing the same motherfucking thing all day, man.
Hold on, what we on YouTube? What we
Yeah,
talking
man.
about?
I don't know what the fuck you talking
Goddamn, I ain't
about.
got. You
got something.
I'm telling you. Hey, look. Hey, listen. Since the governor of Florida is my daddy, I'm putting it on the camera. Come here. All right. Hey, look. Free gas card whenever you go to Florida. All right? What's your name? John. John? John. Hey, congratulations. Free gas card.
Nigga here.
Shit, I'm over there.
Bro said free gas card.
I'm sorry, I'm wet right now.
She's losing her mind too.
You already know I was coming for. Thank you. I know I look bad right now, but one day we're gonna get married. I promise. I promise you.
Okay.
I love you so much.
Okay, what?
Like you're really my wallpaper.
He just starts talking about Mary. She just starts talking about Mary. Mary just crazy. Mary just crazy, Dad. I ain't gonna lie. Why this whole time? I just noticed that this entire time I wasn't watching the video full screen. I'm wilding. This entire time. Oh my god. Look at these niggas. Look at these niggas. Yes, sir. Oh, they the one. Let's get one on top of some more battles. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, I want you in here too, though.
Y'all ready? Y'all ready?
I'm taking pictures of the suns and shit. What is that area they at though? That shit look fun. I'm not gonna lie. What's that, Miami? I was in Florida, bro. Florida was nothing like this, but when I was over there, that shit was just swamp and villagey and fucking bug infested. Like, I'm getting bit by fire ants and shit 24/7. This is not no. It's not. Florida was not how it was when I was over there. I promise you that, bro. It wasn't, bro. That's on God.
Yeah, my bad. I was bored. Alright, man. My bad, man.
That shit made me.
This shit right here is gonna be a bang. Hey, now you good? That jersey hard as fuck. Yeah.
Oh, that jersey kind of tough, actually. Nah, that's not even. You ain't lying, bro. That jersey's kind of tough.
Oh yeah? I ain't even gonna be here tomorrow, gang. So hold on, you can bet, man?
What's up?
You can.
What's up?
Oh God.
Oh, yeah.
You got a cloud right now.
I'll take the slides up here. Take
slides
right now.
Oh God.
You gotta do that shit with me.
No.
Do that for you?
Yeah.
No, yes, I ain't gonna say that.
Whatever you feel most comfortable with. So hey, my dog is finna do.
Only because I seen him do that shit on the video.
What are they talking about?
On the football shit. And this shit slippery. If I bust my ass, I don't give a fuck. Hey, yo, I can do that.
Hold on. Take off your hat, bro.
Oh shit. Yeah, he did that shit with barefooted. I almost cringe for this nigga, bro. Like, if this nigga, shit, like, but I just felt this nigga about to scorpion himself and shit. I was just like, bro, something you were thinking.
I will hold it.
Bro, my butt cheeks was on fire, bro, when he did that shit. Oh no, bro. Oh, he probably gonna kill this shit. I ain't gonna lie. I have confidence in myself. Oh yeah, easy.
What is that, boy?
Folded.
Yes, it is.
Sold the bag. You sold the bag, bro. You sold the bag, bro. Come on, bro. You sold that shit, bro. Yeah, just you're once in a lifetime opportunity to be in a video with Duke, and you sold it, bro.
But it's a 24-hour fight. That's right.
Your one-time opportunity, yes, sir.
That red shit is crazy.
Nah, that red shit's kind of fun.
I got you. Hey, you gonna know who shot that shit. That's my slogan.
Oh, yeah?
You know who shot that shit.
Well, I'm gonna use one of them as my profile picture. And I ain't gonna count. Everything that y'all just seen is for entertainment purposes only, bro. I really don't be rizzing motherfuckers' mamas up. And to be honest, bro, for all the TikTok people that be posting me, bro, stop saying Duke can't be stopped. Duke is unmatched. Stop saying all that shit, bro. I am a regular ass nigga, bro. Alright, fellas. With that being said, man, I love all y'all still though. I love all y'all.
Nah, regular nigga no more, but see where you coming from. Yeah, nah, they need to stop with the dick eating though. The dick eating is crazy. Like, even like but I just don't like. I don't know. I feel like if I were to ever have clout, bro, just say what's up to me and shit. Like, just treat me like how you treat your mans and shit. But obviously that shit's not gonna happen. Like, people just get fanned out and shit. Like, there's a YouTuber they watch all the time and shit, and the clout just get to their damn heads, bro. I swear, bro. But
right there, man. With that being said, man, 2 mil is on the motherfucking way, man.
Nigga really about to hit 2 mil on both YouTube channels.
I'm out.
That's tough. That is tough. I ain't gonna lie. But can't believe I sat here and watched this whole shit.